Hello, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you an empty home tour of the apartment we lived in for 4 years here at Misawa Air Base. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Not all units have the updated flooring, some still have tile and carpet, but I believe they are currently in the process of updating lots of units here on base. This is the building we lived in and one of the parking lots for tenants. There's a park across the parking lot right next to the building. Inside, there is one large elevator and one small elevator, as well as the staircase. And then on this floor as well, there is a room designated for your garbage and recycling that they pick up from. In the hallway by the entrance, there is a small storage room you are granted when you live in this unit. I unfortunately was unable to get a view of this before the inspector locked everything up when we were moving out, but it was enough to fit all of our holiday totes and then some. When you first walk in, you come into a little hallway area that has the laundry room on the right. You have enough storage space and a decent washer and dryer, but there's not really much for anything else. Right next to the hallway, there is an entrance to the kitchen. In this small walkway, there is a closet with shelving. We use this for all of our small appliances. The kitchen is actually a decent size. We were able to work in here comfortably with 2 people. There's a good sized pantry as well right next to the kitchen, so that was nice for easy access. From the kitchen, you can look into the dining area and the living room. We were able to comfortably fit our 6-person table, a console table, and 2 bar stools in this dining area. Off of the dining room is a small patio. This is probably big enough to fit a grill and a small bistro set. The living room is across from the dining area. This area is long and skinny, a bit awkward but still fine to work with. We were able to have our Ashley furniture, couch, and love seat in here with 2 end tables, a coffee table, a small entertainment center, and a bookshelf for toy organization. This is the master bedroom. The closet is your average closet with bifold doors. There's a small patio that leads to the fire escape, and then to get out onto the small fire escape patio, you have to unlock both of these doors. It is a complicated setup, and the patio out in the dining area is set up the same way. The bathroom connected to this room has enough space for a small vanity, the toilet, and a walk-in shower. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are across the hall. These are just a bit smaller with the same closet setup. The second bathroom is across the hall from the extra bedrooms. This is slightly bigger than the master bathroom, but it still doesn't have much for extra space. In the hallway though, there are 2 closets with shelving. The one with the white doors by the bedrooms has deeper shelves than the one closer to the living area hallway. And there are cabinets above this closet space as well. You can open this side just fine, but before you can open the other side of this door, you must close the door that leads to the living and dining area, otherwise it will break. When we first moved in here, there was a giant scuff on this door from someone who had forced it open, and it did not work. So be mindful of that if you do move into a unit like this one. This little apartment was good to us for the last 4 years. So that's it for this little apartment tour. I hope you found this helpful if you're on your way to Misawa Air Base. If you're not, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!